Coop. I have added a deep bedding system over where I had the microgreens growing. It is a lot like last year's. I will continue adding layers to the straw. Until next year. And then I will remove it and compost it with the horse manure. Marans are doing well. And here's the straw I will continue to add. The Keyhole Garden is also growing. The lettuce. And I believe this stuff is actually Celtuce, which you eat the stalk of. Here's the corn and squash. As well as more cucumbers. Been harvesting the potatoes. First two plants. And we'll harvest more as we need them. The tomatoes are doing well, but they continue to be eaten by squirrels. I am going to plant 3 more sweet potato slips. I just made cuttings from plants I already had for fun. And I put these in water about 3 days ago. And they already have roots. They don't need to have a ton of roots to grow. These ones I transplanted a few days ago, and they did great. This one doesn't have any roots, and I want to see how it takes. I ripped out the wheat and I'm drying it in preparation for sweet potatoes. I ordered an assortment from Sandhill Preservation, which has over 200 varieties of sweet potatoes. It includes 5 slips of an orange variety, 5 slips of a purple variety, 5 slips of a white variety, and 5 slips of any other variety. And it is getting late to plant them, but I think I can still do it. Over in this garden, the corn is sprouting. I will transplant the corn I started inside the house into the other half of these 2 beds. And in the fall, I will plant garlic and onions, hopefully, in this other bed.